Hi guys, I have this earbuds. It's Capoxo N7, and after a while, the sound on the right earbud went really quiet. Um, so I was trying to do different things. I tried to took them apart, see what happens, and what I found out was this. Um, you see this mesh over here? It's I guess it's plastic, but you put a needle in one of these holes and pick it up. You can take it out, and then you'll find this attached to it. Um, right over here. This would be attached to it, and I don't know if it's getting full with glue, if something's going on with it. I'm not sure what it is, but you take that out and you put the plastic or metal. It looks like plastic. You put this piece back in, and when you put this piece back in, the sound would be as good as new, if not better. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe the video, leave me a comment, and you guys have a good one.